Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to manage role on WooCommerce store. So let's get started. First of all, you can see that I recently logged into my Wordpress admin and you might end up over here. You need to install one plugin which is very good. In my opinion, one of the best out there. I think you should go for that, and which is this one, Publish Press Capabilities. You can just search this on Google and you will find this. And you can just download this. Once you download this, make sure to upload this in your plugin, and obviously it's free. So I'm going to show you how it's done. Just click on add new and it will open up something like this, and you are going to upload your plugin from over here. Choose your file, and this is the file which I recently downloaded, so you can just easily upload this. Obviously I have done that already, so I'm not going to do that. So once you've done this, on the left side of the menu you will find your user option over here, but under that you will find capabilities once you install that. So right now you cannot see that because I haven't refreshed this page. So I'm going to refresh right now and you will see that it will pop up over here. And as you can see, like I said this before, capabilities are over here. This is one of the easiest tool to use and you will see how it's done. Go to capabilities and click on this. Once you are here, on the top left corner you will find shop manager. We have different roles over here, and you can just select that you have a user who are only shop manager and you don't want him to get access to pages, media or other products, right? You just want him to manage post or something like that. So select this from over here. On the right side you can select anything what shop manager will be going to do. He's going to edit others, publish, edit published, and edit private. If we want to go ahead and get access to this, so obviously you would allow this, right? You will just need to check mark this. And if you don't want him to get access to pages, you just need to uncheck these all. Once you do all of this, obviously I'm not going to go ahead and do all those stuff. You can see we have a lot of option regarding this, and you can choose any one of them as a shop manager. Once you do that, obviously this is an example. You can go either with author, contributor, customer. So once you do that, click on save changes. After that, go to users. Now you will see something very important over here. Once you click on add new user, obviously you need to provide the name and email. At the bottom you will find role. So this is where you are going to set the shop manager, and this shop manager will have only access to that specific thing which you acquired to him. And that's it. After that, just click on add new user, and this is how to manage role on WooCommerce store. So that's it. This is all you need to know. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.